Hey friends, welcome back. Okay, in this tutorial what we're going to do is we're going to talk about not equal to and strictly not equal to in JavaScript. So I just realized I need to add another equal sign there. My apologies. Okay, so in this tutorial we're going to cover not equal to and strictly not equal to. So not equal to is you can check to see if two numbers are not equal to each other. Okay, so this number is not equal to that number, and if the two numbers are not equal to each other, this would actually evaluate to be true. Okay, so you're probably wondering why that might be helpful. Well, imagine you're new to JavaScript and you have to create a program where the user has to guess a number. Okay, so if the user guesses the right number, the game is over. But if the user doesn't guess the right number, you want to give the user a couple more chances, right? So in other words, the game is continuing while they have not guessed the right number. So that is just a small example of where you could check that one variable is not equal to another, okay? So what we'll do is we'll do a little test here. We'll just say, we want to check if two people have the same age. So we'll say let Bruce age be equal to 38. And we might say let what's Superman's real name? Clark? I don't know how to spell Clark. Is there an E at the end? Maybe there is. We'll say Clark is equal to, I don't know, he's 35. He's a bit younger, right? So we just want to do a check. Do Bruce, sorry, Clark age. Do Bruce and Clark have the same age? Well, let's do a check. So what we can do is we can just say console.log, okay, is Bruce's age not equal to, so exclamation mark equal sign. So we're doing a check to see if Bruce's age is not equal to Clark's age. Okay, so what do you think is going to happen? Well, really what we're doing is we're checking to see if 38 is not equal to 35. Okay, and what's that going to evaluate to? Well, that's going to evaluate to true, right? Because Bruce's age is not equal to Clark's age. So if we just save and refresh, we get true. Okay, so they are not equal to each other. Okay, awesome. Now, what if instead of getting Clark's age, we got the user age? So we say let user age is equal to, and for some reason we did prompt them to enter their age, but we actually get a type. We get a type of string. Okay. Well, now let's see if we do the test. Okay, Bruce's age is not equal to user age. So what we're doing here is we're just saying 38 is not equal to 25, the string. What's going to happen? Well, that's going to evaluate to true as well, right? Because the number 38, it's not equal to the string of 25. So that will also evaluate to true. Okay, so we see that. Awesome. Okay, but what if we then had, let's say, the string value of 38? Okay, well, under loose not equal to, so the exclamation mark and one equal sign, we're testing here if 38, the number, is not equal to 38, the string. Okay, so what do you think is going to happen? Well, let's have a look. Let's delete that. I'm not going to tell you. So is 38 the number not equal to 38 the string? Okay, so we get false, right? But 38 the number and 38 the string. Maybe you just want to check to see you know if that was the case under strict equality, right? So to do that, you just add another equal sign, and let's have a look, and we get true. Okay, so basically, when we did it with just one, loose equal sign, sorry, one, when we did it under loose not equal to, so the exclamation mark and the equal sign, it came back saying like the 38 was not equal to 38 the string. Okay, but if you do it with the strict equality, it's checking to see both the data type, and the value. So when you use strictly not equal to, it's saying, yeah, 38, the number, is not equal to 38, the string, so it's going to return. True. It's saying they're not equal to each other. Okay, so this gets a bit confusing, but just make sure that whenever you're doing comparisons, you're basically making sure that you're comparing the same data types. Okay, okay, awesome. So guys, that is basically not equal to in JavaScript, and then strictly not equal to. Okay, so key takeaway from this tutorial: if you want to check if two variables are not equal to each other, you can use the exclamation mark and the equal sign. Okay, so that is going to be not equal to, and if you want to check that they're not equal to with the same data type and the same variable, just use the double after the exclamation mark. Okay, that's awesome. I'll see you in the next one.